How you doing? Yeah, it's Sonny here. Hey, did you hear about my Uncle Carmine? He got audited by the IRS. Yeah, and you thought you were done on April 15th, but over 1 million people get audited every year. But not when we pass the fair tax. With the fair tax, you can forget about it, 'cause there will be no IRS and nothing to audit you about. Yeah, and they told Uncle Carmine that he had to pay back the 17 large that they sent him in refunds. You can imagine what Uncle Carmine said. But there it was. His name, his social security number, and an address in California. He's never been to California. He was a victim of identity theft because someone stole his tax return. But you can forget about it with the fair tax, because the fair tax is a sales tax. It's anonymous. Nobody knows or cares who pays it, just as long as they pay it. Yeah, so I did some research. Not only does the IRS send out billions in phony refunds, but there's about 600 billion that they don't collect, because there are some unscrupulous people out there that don't pay their fair share. You know what I mean? But with the fair tax, you can forget about it, because a sales tax is almost impossible to evade. What do you think would happen if you went into Vinny's Pizza Emporium and told him you didn't want to pay the sales tax? You'd be out of there on your keister. You know, Congress makes almost one change every day to our tax code. Yeah, how many lobbyists you got working for you, huh? Yeah, me neither. But with the fair tax, you can forget about Congress messing around with the tax code every day, because it's so simple, we'll be watching them. You know what I mean? Listen, we all need to pitch in and work hard to get this fair tax passed. Because when we do, we can forget about audit threats, ID theft, tax evasion, and Congress playing games with us. All right? You need to go to www.bigsolution.org. That's bigsolution.org. Get involved. They need your help. And you know, someday when your kid asks you, "Hey, Pop, what was that thing with the IRS?" you can say, forget about it.